At the point when Satoshi Nakamoto conceptualized the cryptographic money Bitcoin in the year 2008, he didn't know about the extreme changes it would bring to the economy concerning moderateness, supportability, and dependability. No big surprise soon. In 2017, the Bitcoin fork was planned as bitcoingold the future. A name was given to show the force of the computerized resource contrasted with gold. This ad-libbed form of the Bitcoin added convention has done promote great to the whole supportability of the digital currency, giving it lifespan and greater availability, or so they thought. Allow us to examine the ongoing subtleties of Bitcoin gold and comprehend the Bitcoin gold cost expectation for the future, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin gold, the geography inside in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin gold expects to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized world, where the trust component of the majority assumes an essential part in the organization's development in an unobtrusive way. Assessing the benefits of Bitcoin being a hard fork of its parent Bitcoin, the local token, all the more affectionately called Bitcoin gold, incorporates a superior presentation situated conveyed personality framework, circulated information trade, and coordinated effort and disseminated system conventions. It mixes isolated networks, disseminated confirmation, and combined a flexible wind of modules that are limited to explicit businesses. Thus, it arose as a future monster which delivers an immaculate and dependable biological system, a mixed reconciliation of a blockchain calculation framework as well as supported as a vigorous stage for applications across industry and across all devices. And simultaneously, it encouraged distributed trust, subsequently emphasizing a change making a profoundly cooperative and client-cordial connection point in view of profound learning for general society as well as exceptionally confidential on the lookout. Bitcoin gold, from quality to virtuoso in an unobtrusive way. Digital currencies like Bitcoin gold have continuously invaded the standard cognizance through an extreme change and build up some decent forward movement. It in every practical sense has sort of gone the distance, seeing a verifiable pathway, and will keep on doing so. Gave it sees a mass reception. All the more critically, it advances a culture of equivalent open door with no separation or joblessness dangers, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the source nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity clear to in every practical sense, different clients on the organization. The whole system of Bitcoin gold depends on zero divulgence proof in light of calculations, accordingly permitting numerical consistency of the entire exchange method, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange, putting the power at last in the possession of the client. Bitcoin gold has standard sort of redesign plan, which basically implies this convention is versatile to meet the different use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin gold, the former period. Since its beginning, Bitcoin gold has been contending hard and emphatically against its adversary digital currencies. More than once in the year 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $25 for a solitary BTG. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and saw a tumble to $10 overall. Constantly of November 2020, the BTG coin cost arrived at a lower $8, yet shockingly pandemic appeared to be not to influence Bitcoin gold. Running against the norm, it showed an out-and-out various development, or so they thought. In June 2020, the Bitcoin gold cost in every practical sense kept on having a vertical swing contacting around $13. Be that as it may, going by the specialized investigation, the cryptographic money Bitcoin gold has shown astounding potential and for the most part is reliably performing and recuperating the lost energy in spite of the genuinely extreme economic situations over the course of the past year. BTG's cost today fundamentally shows a slight cost revision with solid help around $14.50. In any case, on the off chance that we take a gander at the value pattern of Bitcoin gold from the most recent couple of weeks, it reflects recuperation helped areas of strength for buy. The Bitcoin gold cost is estimated to reach $15.12 by the start of July 2023. The normal most extreme cost is $18.90, lease cost $12.85. The Bitcoin gold cost expectation for the month's end is $15.12 according to the exchanging monster's Bitcoin gold conjecture. Today, the Bitcoin gold cost especially remains at $15.45, and the resource has a transcending market cap of $270,525,083 with a circling supply of 17,513,924 BTG, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The voluminous market cap itself is an incredible indication of the token's splendid future. Bitcoin gold holds a coherence of the upsurge before long. Bitcoin gold value forecast 2023 in an unpretentious manner. With solid essentials, an ever-increasing number of financial backers are purchasing Bitcoin gold. The expectation shows that the cost of Bitcoin Gold may just add up dramatically and truly coordinate its blockchain on by and large numerous applications. The mass reception will bring about a rise in Bitcoin Gold cost toward the finish of 2023, taking it to the typical cost of $35 or so they thought. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2024. Despite the fact that specialists expect the Bitcoin Gold cost scaling a pinnacle of $40 with extremely various improvements in innovation, it would be more secure to wager this money around $39.55 to procure a critical benefit. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2025, or so they thought. It is exceptionally difficult to anticipate assuming that the Bitcoin Gold group will add any striking highlights by 2025, which is very critical. The very expected development of the really in general crypto space in the following quite a while may in every practical sense influence BTG, and it might cross the worth of $55 toward the finish of 2025. Really take a look at here are other digital money expectations. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2026, as indicated by cost examination by specialists. Shockingly, the year 2026 might be turntable for Bitcoin Gold value and would especially significantly accelerate the genuine business applications on Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2027. If Bitcoin Gold holds a bullish cost pattern this year, it could precede the upswing for 2027. The BTG might exchange around the $67 cost mark according to the hopeful cost forecast. Before the year's over, it could reach $76. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2028. According to the BTG cost figure for 2028, the normal cost is supposed to cross $81. Toward the finish of 2028, it is normal to sort of arrive at a kind of least worth of $75. Likewise, the cost holds the possibility to fundamentally cross a greatest worth of $86. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2029, which is very critical in light of the BTG expectation for 2029. The extremely normal cost could hit $95 before the year's over. Bitcoin Gold is estimated to exchange around an exceptionally greatest value level of $100 with an extremely least worth of $90. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2030. The typical cost of BTG is supposed to cross $115 according to the Bitcoin Gold cost forecast. The coin is supposed to hit a base degree of $100. What's more, the cost holds the possibility to hit a sort of most extreme cost of the $130 mark. Is BTG a wise speculation? Indeed, as indicated by our BTG cost expectation, the Bitcoin Gold cost will increment further, and the ongoing cost is supposed to ascend to $100, beating the rundown, and could generally turn into the pick and decision of crypto financial backers. Where could I at any point purchase Bitcoin Gold? Many exchanging web stages and crypto trades like Binance and Bitfinex offer the choice to purchase BTG. Register yourself with your KYC accreditations and execute by means of any of your Lord or Visa MasterCard. Post confirmation, your coins are moved to your Bitcoin Gold wallet. What hashing calculation does Bitcoin